Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update on the housing development that's being done for the tourism workers out by the Unico Hotel. So this is Lilliput, well more specific, the Success Beach area. And RCD Hotels is building two massive hotels out here. They're building the Unico Hotel, which is to the left of this development, and then that hotel should be finished in 2026. It's 451 rooms. And then they're building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino beside that. And that's going to be 1,000 rooms, and it will start when the Unico is finished. And a part of their project is also to build 1,000 housing units for tourism workers. And this is the site where they're going to be building the tourism housing. You can see a structure going up on the right. It looks like it's going to be a high-rise building because of the steel frame. And one thing I find very interesting is that they're putting this development right by the sea. This is prime real estate for hotels. Now, we mentioned the two hotels that RCD is building to the left. Now, to the right, the Palace Group is building the Moon Palace, a 1,350 room hotel that's going to be 34 floors. And in between, so that's the Unico straight ahead on the left. And behind, on the right of us, is going to be the Moon Palace. And in the middle is going to be the 1,000 housing development for tourism workers. Now, I'm all for building housing for tourism workers, but I'm just a bit surprised that they're using this land right on the beach, actually between two major hotels, to build it. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. I mean, one reason could be is that RCD already owns this land and maybe it's not big enough for a hotel, but this is prime real estate. So this is actually a very good initiative. So we're going to give you an update as to what is happening here. As Jamaica's tourism industry continues its rapid expansion, one important challenge has come into focus: housing for hotel workers. Historically, many tourism employees have struggled to find affordable, suitable places to live near their jobs, leading to long commutes, crowded rentals, and informal settlements. In response to this need, developments associated with the new Unico Montego Bay Hotel include a significant housing component for workers. The RCD Hotels Group, which is building the 451-room Unico Resort in Lilliput, St. James, committed not only to constructing the hotel itself, but also to creating about 1,000 housing units intended for sale to hotel employees. This initiative was highlighted by Prime Minister Andrew Holness at the groundbreaking ceremony, where he praised the company for its social consciousness and for helping to address the long-standing gap between visitor accommodations and worker living conditions. The inclusion of housing for staff is part of a broader effort within Jamaica's tourism expansion. Tourism officials and international hotel investors, including several Spanish hotel brands, have pledged to build at least 2,000 residential units for hotel employees and their families. These proposals aim to alleviate the pressure placed on local housing markets by growth in tourism jobs and to ensure workers can live closer to their workplaces. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think, and also let us know what you think about the location where they're building these units. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and we'll keep you guys updated on this development as they progress. Alright guys, have a good day.